How to enable App Privacy Report in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable the App Privacy Report in iOS 18.1. This feature helps you see how apps access your data and sensors. Let's dive in. Open the Settings app. Scroll down in the Settings menu and tap on Privacy and Security. Find App Privacy Report, scroll to the bottom of the Privacy and Security section, and select App Privacy Report. Tap the Turn on App Privacy Report button. The report will now start collecting data on how apps interact with your device. Continue using your apps as usual. The report will populate with information over time. To review the data, return to Privacy and Security and App Privacy Report. Here you can see details about data access like location or photos, network activity servers apps communicate with, website activity URLs apps connect to. If you want to disable the report, simply turn off the report. And that's it. Now you know how to enable and use the App Privacy Report in iOS 18.1 to keep track of your app activities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.